excited
siya.
si Pochi, pero galit siya. I know, anak.
Malaki yung tampo niya.
Halika dito, halika dito, halika dito. Papakay, halika dito.
Ngayon lang niya makikita ba?
Halika nga.
Kasi nga magta-30 na siya eh.
Magagalit.
Magta-30 na si
siya.
Pochi.
Kasi ngayon lang niya nalaman ng tatay pala niya si John Prats.
Pochi.
Uy, hindi naman naging kami.
Hindi ba?
I don't consider.
Patay. Magkakaalaman tayo.
Miski mga ano,
MU, fine, MU. Okay.
Ayun ang usalit.
MU.
Pero in fairness, di ba uso yung mga picture dati na malilit na ganyang mga kinokollect?
Nasa notebook sila.
Isa sa meron ako,
Oo,
picture ni
naman.
John Prats.
Siya yung first na inayakan ko. Kasi talaga, in my mind, I really thought I loved him. Crush ko talaga siya eh. Ever since. Oo, crush ko naman din talaga si John Prats.
Ay, kwento.
Swabe kayo. Pag ganun ka eh. Ha?
7? Itong mukhang to. Mukha ba tong 7? Ha? Eh, dapat nga 12 pati.
For us to reconnect. So that's really cool kasi not a lot of exes are like that. Yung mga iba, agaw buhay ka na, may boyfriend ka, tapos tumatawag ng how many years? 10 years non-stop, on-off, tatawagan ka, may boyfriend ka ng iba, tawagan ka, tapos gusto mag-movie, tapos biglang,
Biglang hindi, biglang oo, biglang
oh, it's not that I want to be back with my other ex. It's just I find him so like, siguro that's the reason why I didn't end up with him. He's so all over the place. So ito, na-appreciate ko kasi this is a mature kind of way of like, you could really be supportive of one another, be friends. Yung parang you're so secure about yourself and your relationship at the present time. Kasi last time namin na nagkita, parang hindi kami okay. And we never really got to speak about it. This is how many years of my life? 14 years old hanggang 19 years old. That's a long time of being built together and, you know, parang feeling mo dapat ikakasal kayo, ganon. So we're gonna go see him. I'm actually excited kasi, kumbaga, yan ang kababata ko. So excited ako makita siya.
reunion.
I wish we can we're friends, pero ano yung, ayaw talaga niya pumayag. Yeah, today we're going to revisit a chapter that is very close to all of our hearts. Because sa mga kaedad namin, sabay-sabay tayong lumaki. At sabay-sabay tayong hindi tatanda. Yeah!
A little detail.
Can I borrow the shoes? Because the shoes are quite important. Cute naman.
Ganda ng scar.
Dapat gumalan ako mamaya.
Hello po nga eh.
There's someone who was a big part of my life, but we haven't seen him.
Saan po ba?
He's been
Ay, may ganun. Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Ano na?
Grabe
Do you
ah.
like it?